Yes, I'm going to go to Emfa Emra Badwam Jumedi so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV Digi Box on this no. O share live and so hodum. Ye really nyina betimi akọ podcast no search for Adom TV. We nyina said tie ewo ehodum. Hwehwe nso ewo Instagram and all other social media handles. On Facebook here Adom TV Extra. YouTube here Adom TV. Saso na TikTok nso here Adom TV. Ye wi hu short videos ni nyina and so ewo. Na be ka sa no pedie moto bi age atomenom eye. Water Guinness, the sleek bottle. And I should be a too. I'm so bad, I'm an chile cacrebi. Won't say yes. I own my own Philippa. So, my get be up a could be on Sabecabi. At Tosas, the fun as I can say so, and comma Kingdom Herbal Center, Madame, and I say, same me, I didn't Mpensenpensenmu, bro, open Papa Pie Fedia, a Kingdom Herbal Center, or Monsieur, and now, Ubenizabedoka say, pen 4 at Nasem. Omenya for Isaac Mensa Machine Jenny show Wasa East constituency. Sanso ena Nana Fredria Ajiman Ofori Ata a board chairman of National Theatre. Nana Bakodi.
Namiado.
You watch it.
Na agozi. Ya na mempe. But National Theatre na your mind there any party there. This one friend say you can party as. You
become my answer.
Where is you?
Oh, my answer.
And now the NDC penny by.
Or become my answer.
There be a me issue. Say
okay.
About positioning. National Theatre, your mind there.
Yeah.
Ujina TV so now kasa. I said na MP before there. And it's not good. So NDC for na wa bem, I said NDC for there. Many NDC ni akon so dey ho da. Mra no wa bem.
Okay.
When I'm seeing doing the same thing, I think it's wrong.
Okay.
My no say no MP. Into we your friends say, am I on 70 free ne DBA no more ye?
When you cry,
any. I mean MP. Maybe I know as NPP ni. Into kind of.
Nana free.
Na ye board ne free. Oh the board, but they are making bed 10 minutes. They are National Theatre once. If I no say mum why me and yefi, ni aka mo ane events. Went to money papa. No so why why. Ye ni ma why ma. Why ma home be hwen kan ni ma pa ye.
Ba sinto ba dia.
Enso sinto ba dia. E bi no ko ye na na.
Ola mo ko dia.
na do ko.
Mami kanye.
You na do ko.
I also work on affair to me yama.
Hey. It's all over the country, but then I quite fine ye me hode be yade. Na mamiche me yeah hwefo,
a former deputy minister of roads and highways who has great bond with the ministry. Wa kwan ye nye kakra ma.
Oh. O say e bedru ho, the me chen say.
Okay.
Say ye ka akwan o me constituency.
Okay.
Akwan a ya breso ya started ya dabwase ya teku akutuase ya dwinase ye tin fuma we started say akwan ya contract gina so oye sa kwan na domama odko aponsa so domama odko tosin wonan me dejai agua akwan I basa show to put the issue is about maintenance.
Okay.
See trust no there. I'm not saying about no buy on your kwan but the OCA and more, any kind of maintenance in particular.
Okay.
You be some constituency here, you are quite say, I bet can't constituency on my quine, I basan. Wouldn't say a forest or Jumedi didn't want to, but be a frozen sotopa. Yeah. You know, now companies soon I did 20 minutes of the cast near the end of facility. I can't anything
because ye ye and I ye and I ye you see.
Dear Yayeno, I attend from what said the bossy to a teku, just said, I say maintenance in any.
Yache.
Yes, maintenance in any. Maintenance is about support to about a pageant.
Okay.
Maybe also in Webcha. Yankas, I believe, say, Yen Kwan Ghana, Yen Kwan be Brisao, Sakota Kwan be Brisa, a Kwan or into baby who had as a fantasy, Chasu. Ye trust near Ramon and come. In the periodical, we trust in there. There will not be any portals na for near there. Maintenance no, any challenge on the memes say. Otherwise, we be a papa say quota krum mias fatwa near there. We use maintenance because capital intensive. Inti kakra bit my no. Near na do na no ye maintaining. We say your routine maintenance. This is okwa kra hwe because ko na there mufufu. A routine maintenance bin. Akwan for no mado. Portal ni bam because you see se kwanu fu no wa ndo nsuo ginam na didi kwanim ekwan ya disika kase aye no na sei poto ni ba uzo kase bi kwana na yebu trotro bi kwana na asikwan tantam na ya tentan kama na bebi akota ne no ya hwini ntwa so bebi also me covid na waye bebi also de egusu no mrepem no twa so so these are the issues about maintenance but what say you ye de they say na kwan fa asai na minim say ye ma mi hina no akwan issues no a major challenge nti me che me person for say is from my info na wonim say me ba ha na mo station ko fa pa
okay it has
eduachi nti so ma me kwan ma nchia madofo a na hadwe na me nchia ma mpani o ma oba o ma president president ma oba abegye me nchia no
John Dramani
yazale na me ndisi pefo ina
okay
na me su chiao nana me chiao Menena na call ya check. First one, Peace FM. Okay. Na haso eba, close na 2 times.
Open unji ana chia. Nke chia ura ma ba omi anso kan. Osi ya me ya amanyo so mo si ya anti-flag. MPP I'm a flag bearer. Obedi president.
Dr. Baumia.
Obedi president.
Yes, Minchiao. But Mamma said Tamaso. Tamaso. Na go for the go.
Ono ya brantio.
Ose.
Brana ora Mahama ba. Why so ya brantio no ora kufu do ya kokra.
Okay.
And na kokra be wini. Abrantie ba obe wini.
Aneko na ko na de ko.
Ora Mahama de na twam. But ne din ba ko no etwam.
Okay. John Mahama no.
John Dramani Mahama. Everybody, Nana be say, as I friend baby. Why? Na me pesa, you know, me incoming. Incoming MPP for demo. What here? Incoming.
Who say Ababio? Your friend anka member.
To Ababio there Ababio Mahama.
Okay.
You so friend no. Na kwa was make any adibian
but go see adia ba ko am say me ne honorable. Ya adwen wo. Ye tie I no say asemedica won sem ne bi wo aye ne onya
okay
ne dikan mama onjije so sa Ghana foko ntie mama onjije so enya depa say ye bejije so obi ko obi fi hako it's not right say ye bejije so ena ne to so bio in somewhere wo mu no ebe wi ase nyina no ye de ma esofo mpanimfo na CFO no edu ho no de o say ye papapa o se kronobo no na sika de ha ne de ye mpanimfo nso ade CFO de o say ye papapa na se
me say eduru corruption ye de ya adwen si mpanimfo no so
na CFO de
CFO no ye papapa si anya papapa ye see way through
is that same corruption
yeah
na manfo hu say won ye mu ni ye say niama emra covid ba no bani minim so obekaya obi koto boardie nra enne okoya osi boardie na nra na esi ho na ya nto anwi enne forex cost nti ono nso ne boardie cost na hwana na opra nti ne o to board tomatoes ba ko sei 5 cd pomra nka ense so ton yana sika na hia na epe ni ya na epra yo ano de mo anka akwan ya mo okay one of our problems you try kwan fe di ube no bi di nani ane na bo abeguso no de ne canopy abesiso na yetu kwan is that right and you can say no crime and we're all guilty in one way or the other you need no crime was anema you can and ye bre enye mpanimfo nko aho na mpanimfo na eko no ma obani ya when chia odu an nkrofo bayire no sai no nyi wa mre na odi chia na nkodika sembia emudu same way in Susana too many bedin nsema ye mane nye na adwuma ne ye de ye asoa no ye de eni edinto ye di nyama enye ono na dwuma ene na asede na no na ye de yere no because you see when you to me ya dwen say sika bia bedi ne hopudo bi ehye ne botum a ordinary
maybe that's the picture I'm painting here.
Why not they paint here? That Ben show me one. It is not true. That you can't say no. Meanwhile, you are not able to prove it. Montre baby or no, and I mean my pray impida. Montre me baby, I go jina I can't say me will scour me botum. Inti mo dia move to me mama, me ba, me amo baby, I may ama. Show me one MP who has ever said that. It is not true. Inti yenya I can don't promote it. Mo an opening kind. Masa mo niama na kwetri. Inti moya niema talk trim nipa nheda mpengo makan yo inti ne ka wa no eye bible mo bi inti wo kan no ani no kran kan e wo mu anchirechire mu okono odeko and it is not the case MP enya na sede so bitwa kwan MP asede
MP business so ba me ye wo kwan ama
because my yire na so onka but you see now what I'm arguing to you they say you, the media, should tell the public, say they shouldn't ask the MP that question. And when the MP makes that statement, young country MP say, "Oh boy, no, na ye kwan." Oko pray na ebi aba okwan. And no there's a difference. There's a difference. Oko pray. Yes. And now, so ono be ye kwan. So ono be free contractor sign contract. There's a difference.
But what's what is our campaign?
Inti so kase obekọ akopre am ye de kwan aba. Eno de odika.
Yes. Let me say but oko from where in the various constituencies sa nkomodie ne ekoso a. Yet some of the MPs we great make us maybe
I say Boba Kudin. Mo nya isa Boba Kudin. Me say mo ba Kudin. NDC MPP mo ba Kudin. Ye per mine ye one of say your mind house enye inti emfa no ntonche ye nka ne. Me say MP ba Kudin. Our dear campaign. You see, we need to tell the truth.
Exactly. Who's that? Yeah, especially about rural areas.
And the man campaign because we MP, me
there is winning.
Okay.
First, MPs been check once.
Okay.
Okay, high grade. No, especially rural areas.
But why?
No check once because I'm mining yet. Until either says so or whatever. And as a location, I misapplied. Until the MP, no, could check high grade. No, but you see,
but you don't solve the problem. And that's my problem. So my problem is that and you was said yes
because obi a ono te asante mampo obi ono te ebia adwira ya na MP e hye ne sabo no enya sentire
MP shebo no what you saying is MP me yes say MP be kwa shebo say motoma me maba ba yem kwa wina ma
me ka kwa nyina
ba wonim akwan what we can in and nana is school so waka in that 3 days musa me the ranking for rules and transport committee
yeah
okay na in 3 days you call sa woni ba kaso ha wodi kwan so musa kwa
yeah
Jesus because yet ebete na ya say bridge bi ebu ma nkro bi omo adan I flooded affect traffic congestion then asefo na nsem bibre nti yakọ na yakọ ye no what we did was that you could share info because omo na asase ne omo dia you could share info no Jesus Christ nkofo ni bi e baabi sa adunfo ni baabi so wo hwɛ enoma ekoso wo ha ekwan ye tutum na there's no signboard so we environmental impact assessment yanye na asefo but the worrying aspect of it is say o say na ye be pese aduma ye kwan na asefo na de nke ye bibifo no Ghana fe be ya de I don't confess broni no ye yanche broni no ye yanche you see benyan no ye say ya de ye ya na ye ni ye say the kwan ma say ye we Ghana ni we Ghana contract de ma wa officer wa ho de ndio ha broni no obotu an ko ba ya aduma na e de ma ye ko kwan ka set say about close to $200 million. Nana, close to $200 million. I have kwamba. So the issue is the issue is adena ye kwanya. Ye fancy sharing to ye. Nana no say honestly ati ni beti na mbubu ya dan. Ye compensate ye hwe. Ye blasting, mo ye blasting with the dynamite blasting in the middle of the community or the road. I will say wo hwe e dan fa o say crack na so for. Entino sa kwan na ye mesa mama kan wo ha na nana mi hu me address o bani udin de zan nana
akwasi
ajakwasi entin sa kwan no ye ka ma minister no on twemika minister no o say no make sure say I'm bringing the contractor to order Nana no metie ina fa nyama tutu. Nana bakwa na maka ho yo. Because me reference
agozi ade ba ko me pese honorable eka.
Last one.
Na ye last one. Na mo nyina mo so mo de ka ho. O kan o si MP be kwa ko twaso because nyana so ye no wa. You see, and that's where our problem starts. MP was said the say obekwa ko yire nipa kra esiso be adwuma. Hold the person responsible. Debbie, you see, but that's they said there as a man make because the point is that as so yire bia no ye na said there.
Parliament, the question is it's not enough. It's not enough. Make them do the work.
How putting a cap on pricing of cement prices. Cement manufacturers here buying and consortium. Any other sabe on the parliament. Say yankohwene yenye emfantu. Ministers who say now we have to consortium because already they come a committee be aye ho adwuma dada. And baby as price of cement aircon. He believes the cement manufacturers are not being fair to Ghana for when it comes to pricing.
Never say in the I always have a problem. First of all, you politicize the idea.
And commodity way.
Aye.
Okay.
I hear politics. And the politics they are tinting. Maybe I say yes, it's a minister. But I be boy. As someone can say that one say, I dey na cement bono ekos.
Okay.
And then there was say susu pricing. Say $1 component be cement price no emo ahe na $1.
Okay.
See yen Ghana I dey na tembi $1 cost ra e bia won so fi say cost. See kra eno de anke bi anti asimo. Eno kra no then e betumi aka fa. Eno de say aban eni oman ya adwen a ya hwehwe say bi a price ne meto see.
Okay.
E pass e ho de anache say wo de ho kire ba.
Yeah.
Afi nso ne bi o no ma ense say kobru say afi bia essence say bi ba ne de to ya nhwe ni yi a ne ma bi o ha enko yi ma ye unzama na okay so wakati aba o pese to bags too big because koyo patchwork si say wa ma cement no so price cost wakati anu de enko so a car watching now so cement bo cost per mason for us so when sika be cost. Yeah. How that works out meaning
that crazy in that bo cost.
Until how all of that works out. Let me say as I say ni di kan say ye de cap bi ato so no. Yeah we try ye to cement. E be because I never done na meboa and because the minister na anya de na meboa why had to say ordering bibisa ho ni titun so o say on the committee and the yes adwuma na cement for no enka ho na committee for no misa cement for na that would be very strange e be nwanwa si cement for no be can say committee for no adwuma na ya mfre won dakoda e be me inti ono na minyaya na nka monso maye homework na dia maye
okay
afre cement for na bisa on say committee no ya mfre won da na committee for nso ntie bi enyi ano ana say committee for nso na mo be frɛ won first ni ehu ye tie no ase wi a afa ni ehu say so minister we tie na ase wenti so dia kwa one claim say one consult won nia imwaye ba na kire say minister no so nim say nia won ka no enye no kire say na dwen ni say as far as onu nim no yakon won ya yesa adwuma na wie nti na hu hia so obekọ won so bio ana so ana ase nti na kire say nsem bebre won ma esisi enya hu muaye anza na yetumi take position bi aka say we ya ade ana say we ya anya ade ana say ne pen na ana say ye pen sa no kire won say mini ni so obi tie mi obeka say ye pese cement bo koso yinyina ye pe amana asifom baby on kra was road enko from kakra me say weekend dey to cement minya na nka price no ko from the point there me say ba ko 90
me quote the chairman of cement manufacturers Association, Dr. George Dawson Amwa, or sounds to a bishop. I'm quoting from Ghana News Agency. The unilateral attempt by the minister to introduce this proposal to Parliament without engaging us is not only unfair, but also undermine to the spirit of partnership and mutual respect that should guide our collective effort to stabilize and grow the industry.
Dynamic can say, young committee because minister also refer committee.
Yeah.
Now so refer committee. Let us say, she say, Munko Mpensenpensenmu na mu my final recommendation.
Okay.
Mpensenpensenmu no eso your consultation. Obia oka ho bia eso koneso. Now bisana into to me call info crowd and this info crowd because when the way politics into no akon go bisa ade pese ni say mu nyina mo ye nyina ye nya adwen ba ko. Eso wo ko bia ho. Nti ese say ye nyina ye ko bisa committee for no. And see ebu ansa na ebu asem nothing.
Okay.
Yeah. Because of penny can say also bishop there says you put say no can there. They say there ono so anka so ka kire say wanti committee nka. Eso to me can see me paying say ma anti committee nka.
Okay.
And as ye nyina ya anti nka. Ni enko bisa committee for so say edwuma na ye de share mo sana. Nhihye be na ye de to bro from ye can say terms of reference. Nhihye be na ye de to why ye kire mo say mo be dwendwen ho yi. Asuma senior bentin and they say only need dinkomo. Nanza na mo de adwen na ba. Anza na ebu bi aten. E was say na me de me cases cement for no one hwe ni enterprise na so man na bebo. Ni nyina aka pakpakpa ya aka ni. Pakpakpa. Into but asem here.
Yeah. On the more serious asem can I say here.
I me de ni serious.
Mr.
On the more serious.
Who say is asem here. Nam say on the more serious note.
And it is
asem here pa. I me to so.
Yo.
No, me to so.
Kasa de one ni.
Asem here pa opening. Amaya etimi. Yeah. Ye wo manya ye ni military rule.
Okay.
Mra constitution ehwe so ye ni adwuma. Enti se aban ebi wo so MPP aban e wo so ne. Na se opeso de nhye oba parliament no ye mra no chechire krofonsa se wo ye private person. Enti no wo ton wa de say be price control yasem na pese be. Yeah. Abe de na wo ye minority ye wo parliament ajato. Wonu se GPR to you. Wo se tufu elmu ade chas papa ye tum mini ade bisa wo se ana Ministry of Transport omo ede nhye bia ba say untumi charge 10 cedis or 20 cedis or whatever. No, it's engagement.
Yeah.
So aban no was said in say otherwise ngenya mpemfo main. So problems no a ye ni mpemfo. Problems won't mpemfo etioka. So engage them. Engage union no ani adwumafo no engage them ano ni anu hia ntutomba.
Yeah.
Oman so wo mse sa gleke wo kra no de bawo. Free.
Yeah.
Na say the baswa enye free ye tua port duties ngam na ye tua ni na. Na buy so ni tax wom. It is a good opportunity for the government to engage them. So have so there's a dollar and cedi say yes is them are 16 cedis also. Anamebo. What 1 cedi to 16 cedis.
No. I am moji di bonus.
15.57.
15.57. Can you imagine? First na 14 na no tap to one na. You say 15.57.
First na 1.
The issue is say ye jan 4 cedis the mamu. Na go 15. You never 20.
Yeah, jan 1 na mo 4.
All I'm saying is say
okay.
Na ku for that some can. All I'm saying is say I'm a private organizations, private business people. Mrawo maimu a yama kwan so me yomadwuma. Enti no se wo fi se wo nyoma na wo eton. I was say wo hwa no no trance, no mo tiso and so mo maintain a reasonable price here. You engage them, patapa. And see that is why I'm paying for no my petition to parliament.
Yeah.
I didn't know engage you. No one says what price anymore. You be bro. I buy so tax and can adi na chim. And just set them down and discuss the matters, dispassionately. Someone discuss say or the profit should do to subebri. On for profit doing to be so we understand now you are playing to the gallery. Man for them so company way in oil cementa no board a man for there and say some companies are buying there. Who is your gasem?
Yeah.
Gasem no. Now first na no sem or no Asian company no there. ena na Ghana so ne shares wo enti saa company se ka wansami saa ban no eto shares wo mu a obetuma ya control bi wo mu say oh si say ye wakyere adan ene emphasize kwan so adan ne emphasize kwan so anyhow now it's purely private ena o me on media ne say aban no me chair minister no mark so ate committee on ye adwuma de ma ho and committee ye adwuma no do to nanim
okay
is he convinced us and anything so we think say aban no only minister only producers in transit no me pensenpensenmu ye mama kasa boy den e da no boy den you can justify send boy den when ono matra ho na wan hwe pensenpensen pa o profit of that so no esonodo and this idea na say patapa ye enter parliament and yintum say yes shashemra mama chichi nkofo say no we do that
I'm be fight against it
answer is the issue listen here carefully yes seven say engage people JPRT for ne drivers to mo admin dey farm parliament
okay
so just say aden nkofo na totom cars o menam wiem na wototo petrol nka woni ade enti no se ya to petrol ma ya so e beto yim so da bi entrance enti ministry of transport obaka ya GPRT no ma transit e dan na bitumi e bintumi nye and you see say transport no transportation say kosura e ma yemi na kosuru fuel e kosura e ma yemi na kosuru but fuel e kosuru na e trigger sa yemi na no that ministry has been able to sit down with the GPRT and transport owners to come into a reasonable solution. I don't know to maybe. Now who was at the committee? Now committee was at the what the question for parliament. What about Yambra? What is that for? It is not democratic.
Yes, so
they may say ABC that say
yes, would you crowd to Mama Penny Sanya cement manufacturer be charge beyond the approved rate with me come 3 years. And say any military we say patapana we think say they should engage them enough. Only human beings. Omo no sika I am my there. I don't know what transit. I believe say they are also pricing out of order.
How did they price out of order? Have you sat down with them to know? Yeah, person who say so the committee don't find results on bra. Only on transit no. Sign a production cost.
Okay.
Sign a material no cost. Sit down and agree on a reasonable level of profit. It's doable. I gave a simple example. Say, it's a private person. Oh, in a more now so buying also getting tax regulating no to me so it is important to bank of say any atumo no anya buying there na microphone so sabi almost nipa omunya microphone on the name wa companies anya buying they have to pay their tax intermediaries say the government has failed woefully to engage them they should go back and engage them so we engage you now anya then it comes to leadership parliament say oh you engage you almost omo say give us data my information
okay
I just santi anya ko sab now mpeni weja ho simple wo ba parliament wo ba chichimbra ye sania wo ka chichin gofo aguma soja ba ko so are we in a military state
to feel say you hold on with the legislation for now ni enko so nye engagement
we don't need to they should know see, give yourself timelines
okay
minister and man after have on ministry of transport no ko where on ke ti said o me yom there
I was
okay. He should. There are a lot of government organizations. You know, now they are not organizing. The issue is that
ministers who are no say share cement manufacturing on moral grounds. To at least so more material say the challenge na ye nyina ye go asomani. At least obo hwe compete me afa so ama prices no.
You see, it is wrong.
But so aka.
You see, Mr.
Oko meka no. And what it is cement manufacturers dey say. Oh, see, I can't want to mean
evidence. No. Yet, in memoir, you must come with evidence. We are meeting now. Minutes will cover. What did you request? What have you called from them? You have to call for the production costs. That's what we saw. Because you see, port, you charge ministry, no, and I say, I buy also the tax room. Put everything onto the table and discuss. And you can even discuss the profit margin.
Okay.
There you can say so. Yeah, this is what you to me. You say you make cost so serious in a cost. Abana so in adwuma ye. Nti say dia dem won butuma boy because so profit say say ya don't say e be hard. It is something about you easily. You don't do this. Obetete mrada aswansa na parliament in you president sign na chichi profogum. Adan. You see we are worried. When we say we are worried, akap Bible so siasa nso na ben okọ na nakofo anoko otom. Nti okọ ne person be no be abama chaos about my but Satan, yeah, then yes, I didn't. Some no, by we won't do that. Yeah, we are in a democratic state.
A people was some number too.
So I think
some brand baby more.
And this parliament, yes, I'm saying, omni omunko, no me person. We will support a situation where there's evidence. I just say, abandon taxing, production costing, or more profit margin, discuss with them. It is a disagreement bar. Then reasonable so, I back and appeal to them. Society could dream. We need a private sector even to support us. It's a tax in the woman, would ye? Yeah, this woman was okay. Because some children and do not so much. So
sacrificing the tax, Nibi.
Of course,
no, Jojo. No, so and sacrifice of more profit.
Yes,
but we are meeting you go halfway.
So we need evidence.
Okay.
But minister, I come make any evidence. We need Ghana better Ghana for say yes, or no. Your production cost ni, almost say nini. Until you say almost so cry. So much private people say private in neighbor. So you're watching and dispatch it. What discuss? Until you stramo, mumiye na muye kakra. And no, Mr. Omko GPR to Minister of Transport and Nomkusia in front chain. Do you know, sir? Because you have some managing here. There was no better jump.
Okay.
You know that?
Yeah.
But they are unions. There's only nipa. I didn't know be a 2 know there was some Kachimbra, and Makachingo for to me. I don't your military prison.
What I say?
I was only honorable Mona Moya Magana for Ebre. And some more can I just say only evidence on why use the bro for no evidence. Only be. So young consulting Crawford.
We need evidence.
Okay. We need. This is here as a CA. This only we just so their custom send a buying a buyer is what can you say now so just and
of course yes. Not just so.
Crazy. How is that progressive?
Okay.
And yet then Nyamuya is here then a boy.
Now Miss Manager, Miss Manager,
I want you to who can make us have your own person. Good. At the end, only Unswoka. Only at the crowd committee in the air. And so can I say unim? And I just why I consult to be unim, sir, for sure. And so unim. And you no crest unim. And you are only no crunch on mine, or mine and a and you no crest unim.
It is an answer to us here. Also, wouldn't say. The ministry, either through the committee or the minister.
Minister and say,
okay.
What's a committee ni juma.
Okay.
Mohayi mo be yeshua. Obi mo producer and the coffee fee near mom the information.
Yeah.
And you inti me banam kase na asema de ba enya no kra. O producer na so yire no.
Yeah.
Me bwana. So what's the difference with the minister? And then the committee. Na yen be run commentary no. See enim ni committee na ya. When you recommend a minister no. How do you now comment say minister no?
But the manufacturer so no catch say
no, so they didn't say also minister now consult. Does that mean the committee didn't consult?
No.
We need to find out.
No.
We need to find out. And then I make a mass how. Because now can you can say butu. It's a butu now can. Oh, also it's machine trust. It is butu no. That's medical.
Was it the unilateral attempt by the minister to introduce this proposal to Parliament without engaging with us? It's not only unfair, but also detrimental to the spirit of partnership and mutual respect.
Also, minister no so catch raise or the committee. I don't know why refer committee na kan catch raise.
Merase.
Me
Oh, so here Mpensenpensenmu on Badwam on Adom TV. Mula bre aso. Also boys nya aka to omonsem. Ya ba ese, ya ba beto aso. Yes, abo nya aka ba bi da so ajebre na go so ehwe Badwam on Adom TV. Live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. And so sure. So me ready this interview by Honorable Katie Hammond on Joy News. This story of my Joy Online. I didn't have to consult cement manufacturers to get LI through. Katie Hammond. The trade minister has been dismissed calls by cement manufacturers for stakeholder discussions before the proposed legislative instrument aimed at regulating cement prices is placed before Parliament. Speaking on Joy News PM Express, Katie Hammond said, although the manufacturers were not consulted during the drafting of the LI, he had consistently had conversations with them on the need to be transparent about pricing. He told the host, Evans Mensah,
that he had pushed for the cement manufacturers to self-regulate their pricing to ensure prices were not shooting over the roof. However, this call was not heeded. Quote, I didn't have to consult them in drafting the LI. I warned them consistently that they couldn't do what they are doing, raising prices. I consulted with them several times in my office. I told them what I wanted. I wanted them to be transparent, there to a reduction. I wanted us to understand the basis and the publication. Another quote, get this information and let me know. I was told they said I couldn't do it. On a simple matter of price, publication, and self-regularization, I have been going on and on. It gets to a point when something has to be done. And what has to be done for me within the law is to get Parliament, to Parliament, the Trade Minister said. Katie Hammond insists that the proposed LI will push cement manufacturers to be transparent with their production costs and other needed information to help create a price ceiling beneficial to them and the consumers. Now, I'm saying, when you're not, you're okay.
They can't feel everything as here. Say, yeah, I'm my information.
Okay.
Yeah, babe. When you cry, so digital mind, say, my topic. Topic is a najo and pay a banana about the mind. Yen to me who we know.
Okay.
Into some information, it changes the conversation.
Okay.
Ni di kind. No cry about I did from interview and it say, why am free cement for no to the drafting of the bill.
Yeah.
Why am free?
Yeah.
And no na me be say SCC be say.
Okay.
Into a son no cry na ade. Why am free?
Okay.
But I say at the current year one free on said no nya boa man ye.
Yeah.
Am microphone see ye nye. Sure. Into a hono so cement for no so tosin. Minister no yetumi bond so boss say why am free crank so still a free one. Okay. So na odi ani. Utumi yes argument. Me dia to. Okay. This is for the propaganda into one into. But cement for also. Minister no say only we din komo die. If say baby e kono enko yi. Na baby asam no wo titru o say mo me ehu adeko e komo costing mu.
Okay.
Ni
The
tumi
production cost.
Aboa. Yes.
Okay.
Who say wo be kono me kan say asem ba ko bi aka asem me kan.
Yeah.
Openi kasa no o say aban wo shares wo company no mu a anka otumika ama ye price no bi nya no kre.
Okay.
Nye sa na manage company sa na won dey sa hotel samu ya bai share sam eya won ni no kre kakra eya won nye mo man nti ne ma bia se kakra ni nya sa propaganda sam na ye ka ma na ya manfo asomu de nso no kre da ho no won ni nso ye nka shareholder bi ni ho no ko dictate price this all your one man contract ejuma.
Okay.
Shareholder bi ni ho no serious company akesia running shares or stock exchange and as only buying idea pam contract via contract about wo chefon.
Okay.
On sorry can happen because what chefon yenye nsa nti yemfa no ntonje nti ne sa no mpanimfo no cement fo no yesre wo me after all one yankan yenye bi nka me bo a
yeah
safi edu ne mpempenso na esese won di nokre ni nya yetumi ade krontia won feel say ensese minister na yesa no won nkyerɛkyerɛ mu nkyerɛ because nya minister na kan kyerɛ say opani na bishop no ono so o ka say won ni minister na
consult you omo no
nke so o ka say won ni ye details
okay
nti ede no ntumi cancer say we're prepared to share details with mpanimfo no ni nkwa ya befa so honorable kasa o say na anka say itumi hwe na say betwe taxes bi ane atwe da mo pese yetwe taxes me no mo ya adwen cause me so mitie bi ya mitie ya but yes answer ya na hefa na pese aban bi binye skade ayedwuma mo man and also but say yemfa say won tena se aban say cement for say ABCD eneko anaminka nitwi abede afege eneko your friends
cement price no
cement price no na aban so okay abede no de no say yet car fege no so say yet car ye betumi ayi bi afri so nya so mo so mai bibi na afi emi ayi ni na afi ya tie ho ase twema mentwe no yen a ye wase na ye koto cement
Okay.
Ochinachi say me media me koto enka price no koto man ka be me
Kapebo.
na amanfo bi e be kan bisisi a obeka no onka ma oman ono no obeka ma the politics
Okay,
oman na ye oman na ye dodo me maka ma oman
I listen to on attachment boom. Mabedru Gasem website. Now, this is a shareholding structure of Gasem.
good
Or see our background. Gasem was founded by the government of Ghana in collaboration with Norcem AS of Norway on August 30th, 1967. In 1967, Gasem was established with high hopes of prosperous future with the help and guidance of the late J.A. Addison, whose pioneering effort set the tone for a lasting legacy of Gasem.
those are no MPP
Oh, okay. Now, Edimwa Hede Gasem is now the majority owners with 93.1%. Ghana government with 5% and the late Dr. J.A. Addison with 1.9% shares respectively. In the Ghana government of 5% and what Gasem. Honorable.
You don't make say. So I got some kind of prison. Your diamond cement.
Okay.
You a lot of all those are there.
Okay.
What's say? Got some kwa. Got problem when you.
Okay.
So got some kwa. You're 5%. You know. Because our problem it will not be that because the government would have been able to discuss with them or shares with them.
Okay.
So because the profit margin are there, you didn't account. I buy some much no. I could afford what my many son about me. Into no our Brazil come out the better issues. Your diamond cement that are there. That's what we are saying is engage them. So we engage you more. Mumu sa ampa mu yete memra. Say they are consistent cedis to $1. I mama so ye di jai jam 4 cedis to $1 and they are consistent. Amuchaba. You crave for 1 year.
For the jam
so all we are saying is
Minister so several engagement with
so all we are saying is I give you
on pet you
and you
no
positive
Nana Mamika Nana
Mama kebi more
then make can say Nana Italian time then I can say see no me for me they should say me say you were a place like transport ministry you would GPRTU when was a full attitude full attitude to me. Remember reference. Full attitude to me.
Yeah.
But women full attitude to me.
Yeah.
A man you might be precocious. A ban sign in a GPR you to me arrival at a year. Still, well for no suffer.
Okay.
So the same principle no. Offer to sir. Because
also no more kind.
Okay, why?
Also on several occasions.
So what's the way no production matter?
Okay.
Your employees association. You
can no product.
Ghana Employees Association.
Yeah.
So engage them. Come, we negotiate discussions. You bring the guys Ghana Employees Association.
And AGI so.
AGI so yes. Timu nati ho.
Okay.
A mine watch no. A buying here more. Private sector. Baby up on to me. Intino, more young baby. Because one year so that's how was review. So
I was your something I mean Mamika say I buy one to I buy no one to na person can send be na to money on mine na can be I buy one to
na na museum chairman who is here say you babu museum chairman me na make us museum then say
okay
on the more serious note me feel say I buy no challenges let's all accept it. Yeah, the card in semi-play. It's no cement producers, all other producers.
More serious.
So that's it. Okay. All other producers in Adin also who are buying what, but some Brazil. So I think I am brand new and the best of problem. So they should engage. The minister should engage them well. With AGI and Ghana Employees Association and some union. No more can ye.
Do you think it's a bit better say Parliamentary Select Committee on Trade, Adom Begim to invite either the minister and the manufacturers to a round table discussion? Maybe say for now, it's a minister, and so no matter the cohort. Not say enfa. Not so much minister do you think that
who's a minister? But that's what kind. He doesn't. This is arrogant expression. I'm sorry. Wow. He doesn't need to consult. No, you have to because so he needs to consult them. So that's it.
Don't say that.
It won't you know has another video. What
I'm with you.
No, in some we're repeating the mobile brand. Who's a DPR to you? Me will be our what kind or see what kind of 10 times.
So all I'm saying is that minister no Oma Brasiembrim.
Okay.
No engage Sanko for 3-4 years. Nombra. I think say it don't need dimpa. You can engage a committee.
Okay.
Why not? You can still engage a committee. And the committee will not necessarily say the parliament and sana. The committee can get the committee no bit engage. No ya try. I think that baby I do know.
Okay.
I no baba na say bem. So that say I know. I say anu ni anu chi antutu ya den. Emba. Sa Brasiembrem.
Yeah.
Na sa patapa say me yembra. Na me da show ma chichi watu no. Ofa ko baby ya.
But I say. Na 1 minute now.
I'm say one can say
Why?
Mom can say arrogant. And you know, if you say penny no kind or see at the cruntia, only one can say beyond, only one can say that.
Okay.
You try to. I'm say, can't afford it. You better your come on mine. Me. And in your command or no any party. So when you
Togo for because I'm Togo for because I'm Ghana for
baby.
Because I'm Togo for what because I'm Ghana
for crab casa.
Do like I'm Ghana for because I'm
or should I there Adom FM NASCO home makeover second draw no basso.
Look at in Chiabai. Sorry, when you saw your address.
Okay. Because Georgina Alopaye nyina yenhia Ring Road Central Honum baby electoral office no no ye kwakwa second door ka first one no nipa odi kunim enya 50-inch NASCO flat screen TV this time actually ye da so no enya de keto akra eti share dwaso nsem na afei work and happiness me kire CJ force na afei OPB Eddie na FH medical say emra one FH enchemo no I was up 0545 511063 0545 511 063. Now it is the NASCO 186 liter bottom freezer. Yeah, that's so. It's actually that's what now. Obey me. Erica said terms and conditions always apply. And I'm gonna say, all of me that
quick.
I could point straight. Yeah.
Is it online?
It could be a one bottom, one bodjuma.
Okay.
One body soon a boy, Dr. Baumiane, the campaign. A from virtuous ladies, Michao, okay. I mean, show on crime.
That's it.
Netos who now cover by semi national
board chairman.
You be a conference be. Intimum Wabam. 1 year performing arts, Niama. Concert party for boy instruments, so Kete, Adoa. Nina, home conference.
Momo invite people.
There's one make my mind number. Oh my guy.
There's a command.
If you know, so
you never see easier.
I didn't send any Masada or Shadan to Miss Mashada.